Hello. Yeah. Luciano. Hey, you.
What about me?
You checking out his orange?
Wait, let's see how he likes it.
No.
Let's see how he likes it.
Rub it on his mouth.
Whoa. One more?
How's that taste? Yummy? How's that?
He broke up with his boyfriend this weekend.
Luciano.
But Jack's look, it'll be fine. Such a list. I left another message.
Uncle.
So, I had a nice evening with Peter the other night.
Oh my God, really? Isn't he great? Smart, funny?
Hi, baby.
Yes, he's absolutely lovely.
No.
She left me
Mmm.
Those lines.
I hope that doesn't make him sick. Hi, you. Send him up some more.
Pandora, where is it?
Here.
What's your job?
Okay, never mind.
No, you're a piece of shit.
Hi. Ooh, you didn't hear that, baby. Ignore the TV.
I know I was right. I just don't need a
This looks funny.
Pause.
Pause. Hi. Is this another silly long video?
Yep.
It
There's nothing
is.
going on.
Yeah. Nothing going on.
Oh.
Nothing. Why aren't you talking
Were you gonna say
anymore?
something? Go ahead.
You were just talking up a storm.
Go ahead.
Luciano, talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me, baby. Please. Talk. No, no, no. He likes cameras. He just stares into them. You gonna talk to me, baby? Say hello to the world. Hello, world. There you go. Hello, world. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom. Yummy.
Just laugh.
Nom nom nom. Is it silly? Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. You're so funny. Luciano. Nom nom nom. Look over here. Mmm. 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 Nom nom nom. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Is that funny? Are you laugh again? Like you did last night? That was cute. Sit him up. He's drooling so much. Luciano! Hi! Oh no! Here we go. Hi! You gonna laugh? Ha 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 ha. Come on. Oh.
You won't do it. We'll do it again though. Sometime.
Do it.
Laugh.
Do it. Laugh. Laugh at your silly, silly, silly mommy. Mommy, you're silly. hillbilly too.
Yep, that's right.
With your hillbilly hair. What did they do to you? They really butched your hair, huh? Luciano, hello, baby. Hi. You're cute. You know that?
Mhm.
Do you know how cute you are? Do you know? Do you know how cute you are? Cutie patootie.
Patootie.
Luciano. Hi.
Mommy's crazy.
No!
It's Medusa.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. No?